Okay, so this experiment will be about Le Chatelier's principle. And so this principle is basically used for solutions that are at equilibrium. Equilibrium basically means that when the reactants are producing the product, but the products go back to reactants, so it's in a constant loop. That's why it's like they're both equal in a sense. For this experiment, you will need 2 cups filled with water. Each of the cups has a different color liquid in them. This will allow us to test the true nature of Le Chatelier's principle. The principle states that when a system is at equilibrium and is subjected to a change, the equilibrium will work to help minimize that change. For this experiment, we'll be analyzing the following equation: N2O4 yielding 2NO2. Notice how the equation is at equilibrium. This is represented by the double-sided arrow. The brown liquid will serve as our N2O4 and the blue liquid will serve as our NO2. So when the reactants and products are in equilibrium, there should be an equal amount, right? So that's the reactant, and we're going to use it to make the products, right? Notice how the color of the liquid turned this greenish color, right? And so since the equation is at equilibrium, the products go back into making the reactants, right? And it just keeps going in the same process. It'll keep going, and notice how eventually both the liquids are now the same color. This basically proves the principle in that since both the colors are subjected to change, the system worked in order to minimize that change, causing both the colors to be the same. There are many common examples of equilibriums in everyday life. For example, lemonade. Lemonade is created with a mixture of water, lemon juice, and sugar. So basically what happens is you combine the system of lemonade and water together until it creates an equilibrium. Since equilibrium involves a forward reaction and a reverse reaction, no matter which way you look at it, you will still end up with the same thing.